He's cleaning it up. Mudding anybody who wants to get their four-wheel trucks out and their four-wheelers and give it a little mudding time. See, this is what it's down to. Mudding! Let's go mudding! This is my country! Cleaning the road. Look, it's a mud pit. It's a mud pit. Getting it all cleaned up. Yeah. Anybody watching this video, can you get a hold of the owner of this vehicle and tell them to get it off my property? It has been documented with the city of Defiance as a nuisance. If you know how to get a hold of this person, here is their license plate. Seneca, Ohio. Please get this abandoned truck. It's a piece of beater with a heater. And get it out of here. Get a hold of the owner if you know who the owner is. Goodbye. This is Jules Lawn Care signing off.